All right, let's review UA1AK3. And UA1AK3, this code is is about the ramifications of falsification, reproduction, or alteration of a certificate, rating, authorization, record, or report. Now, so let's take a look as to what actually this is talking about. First of all, this is going to be covered primarily under FAR 107.5, and here it's going to tell us that no person may make or cause to be made any fraudulent record to show compliance with Part 107. Also, any reproduction or alteration of a record or certification if it's done for fraudulent purposes. Okay, so that's first of all, and this yes, that should be pretty self-explanatory. You are not allowed to commit fraud, is what that essentially says. So, so the question in regards to this particular code, it was not just can you commit fraud? No, it's but rather what are the ramifications if you do? And there are four things that are specifically listed in FAR 107.5 that are going to happen to you or that could happen to you if you do that. The first one is going to be a denial of an application for a remote pilot certificate or a certificate of waiver. The next is a denial of a declaration of compliance, then a suspension or revocation of any certificate, waiver, or declaration of compliance issued or accepted by the administrator being the FAA, under this part and held by that person. And then the fourth one is a civil penalty. So those are the ramifications of committing one of those fraudulent acts, and that particular code, this particular code, is to address to make sure that you understand and know what those four things are.